How to create unlimited Gmail account. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, go to search bar and search for Gmail Generator Mail Meteor. Click on the first link that pops up and click on Sign In located on top right. Then click on Sign In with Google. After that, add your Gmail account. Click on Continue. After signing in with your Google account, go to the first page again. Then delete generator and add your Gmail that is connected right now. Simply click on generate and it's gonna generate all these emails. As you can see, there are 64. Simply copy any one of them and create any Instagram or Facebook account using this Gmail. And that's how you create unlimited Gmail account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.